there is something common in all of us. We always tend to hold on to negative thought very quickly because the way our brain is structured, that it basically gravitates towards the negative things very quickly. And it is very difficult for a human being to focus on the positive things when you are gripped by the negative thoughts and negativity all around you. So why I'm talking about this? You might be watching the news, you might be watching the news on television, whatever is happening around us. It's basically full of stress, negativity, not because the people actually wants to get depressed or people actually wants to get negative. It is because of the environment that has been created due to certain circumstances in these days. But yes, there is a good news. What you can do to come out of this negative environment, what you can do to come out of this depressing atmosphere. And ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, you are the only one person responsible to take care of yourself. The number one and the most important thing that you can do in your life is to love yourself. Let me tell you, if you love yourself, that means you're respecting yourself. How many times it happens with you that you are so much busy in your job, in your business, in your daily schedule, over social media, that you don't even take care of yourself. You don't even exercise. You don't have time to do certain activities which are going to invigorate your energy, which are going to help you come out as a productive human being. You don't do breathing, you don't do meditation, you don't read any book, you don't hang out with positive people. It is only because you don't respect yourself, you don't take care of yourself. So start loving yourself. If you start loving yourself, if you start giving time to yourself, you will feel a different level of experience, a positivity in yourself. Second, eat healthy food. Often it has been found that men and women, what they do is basically they eat a lot of junk foods. Guys, let me tell you, food is a kind of energy that you put inside your body. If you don't put right set of energy inside your body, it is definitely going to cause a lot of stress in your stomach and stress to your body and brain. Similarly, take an example. If you put a kerosene oil in your vehicle in the place of petrol or any other substance, do you think the engine will going to run smoothly? Obviously it is going to fail. So our body is not receptive towards the junk food that we generally eat in our daily life. So it is important to change your eating habits. It is one of the fundamental steps toward loving yourself. So I hope you're getting what I'm trying to say. Finally, I would like to say that if you have any problems, I'm sure in these times, every other human being, irrespective of certain set of people who are actually very positive and they have everything, they have abundance, there are many people who have something or other which is causing trouble in their life. But I encourage you all, in case if you have any problem in your life, talk to your loved ones. Get out of that all negativity, all those problems which is hanging around in their brain and causing a lot of problem to you. If you do so, you will feel relaxed, you will feel a little happy and light. And over a period of time, if you do so, you will come onto the track. So if you really want to improve, if you really want to reduce the stress, if you really want to be productive, you got to love yourself. Loving yourself is the most prominent and predominant factor of being highly successful. I hope you have loved my message today. In case if you have any feedback or suggestion, you may drop in the comment section. And I would also request you to share my message with all of your loved ones and whom you really care, so that they also get benefited out of my message. So this is your friend Tausif Hassan signing off until we meet again. Have a fantastic day.